Hi guys, Cindy from ScrapBrat. Thanks for stopping by. We're going to do a unboxing of my paper haul from eBay, and I will link the seller below. I'm going to open it and then I'm going to put it to the side so we can see them one by one. So I'm going to set them to the side and we're going to take a look at them. First, we have Floral Elegance. I'm sorry for all the plastic. We're going to open all of these. And these are, I'm going to scoot my stool, so sorry. We are going to open these. And these are pearled. And I also got some vellum. I got some pretty papers and some loud papers. Didn't get any grungy stuff. This is my pretty side. Oh my goodness. Oh my gracious. So pretty. And I have never bought this brand before. I saw some on DDS 72. Oh, sorry, DDS Studio 72. And yeah. So I wanted some of this paper, and when I started researching it and seeing how pretty some of it is, yeah, I need it. And you get 2 of each of these. This is really, really pretty. Yeah, these are going to make great little folios. Look at this one. I have to save some of these for Mama for when she comes back. Oh my goodness, the back of this one's gorgeous too. Look at this. That's the front. That's the back. Oh, so pretty. So pretty, so pretty. Okay. So these will make great folios. Fantastic ephemera. Oh, that one's really pretty too. Ah. Just gotta get to the end here. Yeah. These papers are definitely. And they're Crafter's Companion. And like I said, Dee Dee had hauled a couple of these. And yeah, I was smitten. Smitten by them. Should I save this one for last? I kind of want to save this one for last. Because that's like, that I have plans for. Yeah. Let's do the ones that I got. There's another floral. And this is Secret Garden. Now you can find these everywhere. Not everywhere, but you know, you can find them on a lot of websites. That one's not taped. That's good. Oh, neither is that one. Fantastic. So we're going to look at the paper, and well, we'll just do a little quick flip through of the vellum. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love printed vellum. There's a bunch of sheets of it. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's see how many there is with the next one. I'm sure it says on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sheets. Oh, I am in love with this stuff. Absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. There's a lot in here. Oh my goodness. I love the key and the irises. Love irises. We have them planted all over the property. Let's see. 36. Jiminy Christmas. Okay, and we're gonna do, I guess we're gonna do it like this. This one has the irises. I guess I'm gonna do it sideways again, guys, so that way you can see the front and the back. Wait a minute, is there 3 of these? Oh, there's 3 of these. There's only 2 of each of the other ones, probably because it was the pearl. Wait, why am I confused? 1, 2. No, there's only 2. Why is there 3 of the first sheet? There's 3 of that one. And then there's 2 of this one. I'm confused. Doesn't take much, folks. Doesn't take much. What? There's only 2 of that one, but there's 3 of this one. How weird is that? That one's very pretty. And then there's 2 of this one. Okay, I guess it's a rhythm. Okay, that's the back and the front. And there's 3 of this next one. Nope, just 2. I'm confused. We're going to look at the cover and see what it says. Ooh, look at how pretty this one is. That one's going to be a really good difference, I guess, in it. This is the back of this one. More irises. And this is like a faint music paper with the paper. Love it. This is pretty. Here's another one of the print like that with that. Okay, and this is the back of this one. Music paper on the back of the roses. Love it, love it. Oh, I really like this one with the leaves. Very pretty, very pretty. And this one. Ooh, love that. I really like this one. And it's the back of this one. Okay, now let's see what's going on with this. It doesn't say how many of each. It's just confusing. So you get 2 to 3 pieces of each paper. We're just going to leave it at that. Not exactly sure what's going on with that. Okay, and we've been through that one. Let's take a look at this last little collection that I got. And that was the Secret, no, that was, yes, Secret Garden. And we looked at Floral Elegance first. And this next one is Fairy Glade. Oh, this one's taped. Okay. Now, I don't know if this lady is selling her collection or what, but she had some really, really pretty stuff. And other brands, too. This is gorgeous. This is really thick vellum. Not that I think it needs it, but I think you could emboss this. Man, that is pretty. It's so pretty. The colors in this are spectacular. And if you wanted it more muted, you could always put it in backwards. One more. This one's very pretty too. The little fairies hidden up there. Oh, so pretty, pretty, pretty. Love that. Okay, now let's take a look at the paper. We're going to do it sideways. And this one has the pearlized. It has it front and back. My goodness. Okay. This is the back of this one. Sorry, I'm getting like completely sidetracked with how pretty this paper is. This is the back of this one. Hopefully it's not glaring too much on y'all. This is gorgeous. This is the back of this one. It's like not really monotone, but kind of monotone on the back. Okay. Oh my. This is the back of this one. So stinking pretty. I am in love with this paper. I almost didn't get it. Oh, I'm so glad I did. I thought, oh, the vellum will be enough. No, I'm so glad I got this paper. That one is the vellum that I really liked. This is the back of this one. This is this one. And this is this one. My goodness. Is that it? Oh, nope, one more. And this is the back of this one. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And that is very Glade. Okay. Now, Wild at Heart. Okay. Gotta cut it open. So this lady, if you spend $40, you get free shipping. Oh no, I spent $40. So it's girl math, right? That's how I save money. I spent over $40, just for the record. Okay, we're going to turn it sideways because, well, be able to fit everything in frame. This is really thick. Like, not overly thick. Okay, so there's 3 of this one. I love that. Okay, and there's 3 of this one, and it's the same. Oh my goodness. I love the fact that some of it is just animal print and it's thick. And there's 3 of this one. Oh my goodness. And there's 3 of this one. Love this. And this one's Tiger. Let's see. Love that. I really like that it's, and I've said it before, animal print is a neutral. It's in my book. But I love the fact that it's neutral and then it has floral on the other side. I love it. Ugh, I'm like in love with this. Beautiful paper. Really impressed with the quality. And I buy a lot of Crafter's Companion dies because they're usually pretty inexpensive. and they work fantastic. But I have never bought their paper. So thank you, Dee Dee. This is like screaming for some shabby chic lace and some pearls. And oh, yes. Okay, and we have our sentiments. I'm not so sure about these, but we may use some of them. And if not, what's on the back? Oh, it's just white. No, that's okay. Yeah, maybe some of them. They'd be cute on cards. Birthday girl. That's cute. Yeah, some of them are cute. Sprinkled with love. All things grow with love. You're a star. The world is your oyster. Thinking of you. Be wild. Be kind to yourself. Make a wish. Friends forever. Be your own kind of beautiful. Never too busy for fizzy. I guess that's a champagne joke. I don't know. Tell me what that means. Have a great day. Follow your dreams. You're amazing. Sweet and sassy. It's your day. Simply the best. Hello, gorgeous. I woke up like this. We wear crowns over here. Only one wears a crown. So, yeah, I really like this one. Love this. Love this. This one, I like the vellum more than I do the paper, but that's okay. And these, oh my goodness. Love, love, love them. So great big thank you to Dee Dee. Make sure that you go over and check out Dee Dee's channel. I'm going to link it below. And yeah, she's trying to get to 500 before 4th of July. So she would greatly appreciate the views and the thumbs up and the subscribes if you feel so inclined. She has a lot of great hauls and great makes. And she junk journals and does all kinds of fun, crafty things. So yeah, just wanted to say thanks. And yeah, so which one's your favorite? I mean, I think this is my favorite. I don't know. What would y'all make with them? I think folio is the first one I'm going to try, and I will let you know how I like the paper once we start using it. I'm so sorry about my voice. Kind of going through a little bit of hay fever, I hope. Hopefully it's not illness again. Because I'm tired of being sick. Sick and tired of being sick. I'm not complaining. Not complaining. Feeling blessed. Lord has given me breath in my lungs today. So, yeah. So I just want to say thanks for stopping by, guys. Go out and do something to spread the joy today and love one another and be kind to yourself and be kind to others. And until next time, much love. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.